Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to The Big Question. Today we're on site at Mid-America Mortgage in Flower Mound, Texas. We still have questions coming in about the loan approval process, and today people are wanting to know what are the different types of approval and how long is the approval good for?
Wow, that's a really great question, and we have Ryan Grubbs. He's with Mid-America Mortgage. He's a senior loan officer, and Ryan, we're going to pitch that question to you.
Yeah, well, another great question. So, basically, once we complete what's the initial step in regards to the loan qualification, we take that information and we run it through what's called an automated underwriting system. And basically, that's just a guide for the underwriter to, finish the approval on the loan. So to do that, we always complete an initial automated underwriting at the end of the qualification. So that way we know based on the criteria of the client, they are approved based on the information they provided us to purchase a home. The next step that we're actually doing a lot with our clients is actually going ahead and getting that full underwriting approval. So we're going ahead and getting the client to send in all their pay stubs and their W-2s and their bank statements, information that we need for our underwriter just to check everything that they had provided to us on the initial application for making sure everything's true and accurate. Once we have that, then they actually have a full underwriting approval from an underwriter. That way it just shows that they're already ahead in the process. We've got all their documents, and it helps give you guys a leg up whenever y'all are out writing offers on their behalf.
Yeah, and maybe a little less surprises down the line too. That's always good.
Yes.
Well, thanks for that. Thanks. That's great information.
Yeah. And if you have a topic or question for our Big Question series, feel free to leave us a message down below. We would love to read your responses. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next Big Question.
See ya.